Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on, yes, it's Blue Monday, January the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, you are interested in a binary puzzle, and this will be number 7806. Yeah, 7806. All right. Oh, bumped the camera. Apologies. Well, okay. 7806. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. And now, between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, need to think. I cannot place the... We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, the 4th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here now, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. And now, now I'm stuck, I believe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Well. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare, I believe. We have 3 columns to compare. 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3. Double 1 here. 1, 1. 1 there. 1. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. If I place number 4, the 4th one here, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Last row, not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay, and now, we have here 3 ones, and an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, 4th one. So that box should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. This one I have troubles, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.